Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and today is your first time of stopping by. You are most welcome, and please do not forget to hit on that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, so you can join us permanently, and also turn on your notification bell so you will always see more of my videos. So yeah, in today's I almost forgot. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, we are going to be doing something very different. So I'm not actually doing a makeup or tutorial today. As you can see, I already have my makeup on already. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a simple sneak high ponytail in an affordable way. Like in this tutorial, I'm going to be using this one right here. This is the expression. This is for braiding. I hope you guys know what this is. So normally when you want to do a ponytail, you normally use kind of hair extensions, but you can actually still achieve that same look using this braiding expression right here. So without talking much, guys, let's just dive into it. Pardon me if I might not do a talk through on this video, but just pardon me, I really need to do this quick. And yeah, so let's move in. So now I actually cut it into two equal parts, and I'm going to draw out this hair extension, hair expression, whatever it's called, a little, to kind of get that that flawless look. Kobe, after drawing a Kobe, this is how it should looks like. Everything I'm using in this video, I actually purchased them in a local shop close to me, and back here. So I'm gonna use this. So this is how it looks. With this rubber band, I'm going to use this to secure it onto my hair. So before then, let's go. So after I might have done it like this, I'm going to brush it again with a brush. So I'm just going to use it to hold it down, to kind of create that kind of bond. So this is how it looks. And with this, it will actually be very easy for you to secure it down to your hair. So now we're moving down to the hair. Now I'm moving in with my Solvate medicated anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. Like this, I've always been using this to kind of massage my scalp because of a dandruff, but now my dandruff is kind of getting better though. So I'll take some. So now after that, I'm going to spray a little of this water onto my hair, like to kind of get that very smooth and sleek, look. This is actually water. Now I'm just combing it up to kind of take it down to the place where I really want my ponytail to be. You can actually take it down to side, like back, wherever you want your ponytail to be. So for me, I like to take my ponytail very high, so that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm using the Echo Gel. So now I'm gonna do a single braid with this. This is what I will be securing my ponytail with. This part that we have right here is where we're actually going to cut section 1 part of this hair to secure it properly to my bun, the bun that I braided earlier. I don't know how to explain this, but do pardon me though. So this is how it looks. So with this small section that I use to wrap everything, I'm going to use take some bobby pin to secure it properly. So yeah guys, here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below on what you want me to do next, and also share this video with friends. Like this might help someone. Like share this video with friends. And for the things I use, I purchased them in a local shop close to where I live. And for the bobby pin and the rubber, I purchased them at a Primark. And yay, here is the final look guys. So if you really enjoyed this video, do support your girl by subscribing to my channel, and let's be friends on social media. I'll be leaving my link down below. Do follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you want me to do some of like something like this, you want me to do more hair tutorials, do make sure you leave a comment below. It really means a lot to me. Like it really means a lot to me. So yeah. So yay, I'm loving this look right here guys. I'm loving this look. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Thumbs up this video if you like the video, share like I said earlier, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Yeah, always stay beautiful. Bye guys.